Hello guys, welcome to Say Shadow Lessons. Please, after watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Right, basically on this lesson, we're going to focus on how to solve the simultaneous equation using the one what you call substitution method. All right, solve the simultaneous equation. I'm sure last lesson I have explained well on how to solve the simultaneous equation using elimination method. On this lesson, we are going to focus on how to solve the simultaneous equation using substitution method. Yes, for now we are using substitution method. Use substitution method. This one is what you're going to use in order to solve the simultaneous equation using substitution method, right? So we're given the first equation, which is 3x. Let me just name my equations. Minus y is equals to 7. I can name this one B equation number 1, all right? Then y is equals to 5 minus x, equation number 2. Basically, when you want to use substitution method in order to solve this simultaneous equation, make sure you make one of the letter, whether equation number 1 or equation number 2, you make one of the letter the subject to formula, right? Basically, it's easier for us just because one of our equation, which is equation number 2, y is already made the subject to formula. Yes, it's easier for you and even me to make to find x and to find the value of y just because y is already the subject. But basically, when you are not given, then you ask you to solve and you want to use substitution method. First of all, you make whether equation number 1, equation number 2. You choose whether equation number 1, equation number 2. You make the x the subject or y the subject. You choose the equation which is easier for you to make one of the letters the subject of formula. All right. So as for me, this one y is already the subject. So what I'm saying is, when dealing with the substitution method, we substitute twice. Remember elimination, we use elimination first, we find the first value, whether y or x, then you use substitution to find the other value. Hence now we want to use substitution first, then use substitution at last. So y is already the subject. So I can just say substitute y for 5 minus x in equation number 1. Substitute y for x in equation number 1. So now what I'm saying here is 3x minus y. Yes, 3x minus y is equal to 7. But now here y is 5 minus x. So 3x minus y is 5 minus x is equals to 7. Like now we are now dealing with the same letter. Yes, we're now dealing with x. So let's find x. 3x minus 5 plus x is equals to 7. Let's now quick group the like terms. 3x plus this one gives us 4x. Then this one to this side. This is equals to 7 plus 5, right? 7 plus 3, 10, 12. We get 12 here. So 4x is equals to 12 divided by 4 divided by 4. Therefore, x is equals to 3. Right, now we managed to get the value of x using substitution method. Right, let's now find the value of y. We say substitute x for 3 in equation. Now choosing this is equation, which is equation number 2. So I'm now saying y is equals to 5 minus x, but hence x is equals to 3. So y is equals to 5 minus 3. Therefore, y is equals to 2. So x is equals to 3. Y is equals to 2. Basically, this is how to solve the simultaneous equation using substitution method. First of all, use substitution. Then at last, use it substitution. All right. So, like I said before, introducing this lesson, I said let's subscribe so that you continue enjoying these videos. So basically, like I said, on the lesson on elimination. You can just prove if these values are correct. You substitute either in equation number 1 or equation number 2 to check if the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Let me just substitute. Let me use equation number 2, easiest one. So here y is 2. So here we have 2. Here we have 2. I want to prove here we have 2. Then x, what the value of x is 3. Remember 5 minus 3, 2. 2 is equal to 2. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, x is correct, also y is correct. You can even prove here. When x is, remember x is 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. Yes, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. So basically, this you can even mark these answers at your own. That's because it's simultaneous. And I think every equation, whether it's equation or what, as usually when dealing with all equations, whether equations involving fractions, linear equations, quadratic equations, you can actually prove your answers if they are correct or wrong using substitution, right? So let's subscribe, like, comment, share, and also like these videos. Thank you so much. Enjoy the lesson.